Gawa ng mga to.
Waiting.
Sasayang.
Waiting sila.
Walang pasok pa. Level 19 na sila, level 19 na.
Eh, hold on.
Level 23 siguro to sila. At basta atin points, okay na.
Galing nga tayo taga-cockblock ng points ng Maha.
Tangina. Di ba
dapat pushing for top 2 tayo? Bakit ah?
Ay, wala tayong pakitol. Pushing for rank 10 din naman tayo.
Kasalanan naman nila,
Pushing for rank 10
Kaming sila daw sila.
Summers lang re-respatuhin ko, tol. Pero sila hindi.
Hindi mo... Friends tayo sa Maha, pero hindi nyo kailangan...
Ito na, kaya level 22 right?
I-mark ko nga tong HOJ. Kaso, ito yung HOJ. Mark na, next one.
Ano pangalan?
Looters
Zay
MA.
Moving na,
MA.
Masakit yung engage ng Meerkat, guys. So, careful lang.
Masabi kung saan mag-siege.
Sige.
Southwest.
Gago si Elo, andito. Mahani oh.
Andyan yung Cielo. Cielo yung kausap eh. Cielo, come. Cielo yung
Southwest.
Southwest na. Smooth.
One screen, honey.
Moving southeast.
Southeast.
They have range bomb, okay? They have range bomb. Just be careful of that range bomb.
Stay away from the southeast wall, guys.
Doyle, ikaw na nga bahala dun sa range, ha, Doyle. Kaya na muna bahala.
Pumping?
Yes, they're just spotted, I see.
Okay, this one. Yo, double OC guys, double OC. Yo, keep fake with me southeast. Keep. No? 3, 2, 1 no? Nice. Yo, ready. Wait. Ready southeast guys, ready southeast. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Come back.
Ready for
Come. Yo, def. Nice.
Mergat Northeast.
Yeah, pasabi ng gate. Nice.
Yo, may shaper ba? Ba't ako nabawasan ng buhay?
DPS talk to me, CD. Yo, DPS talk to me, CD. CD guys, CD.
Ready.
Yo, southeast now, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Yo, click sound gate. Yo, hold them. Tanks, hold them. Hold them. QW inside. Yo, come back inside. Yo, yeah. If mag-engage to, we hit, okay? Hold lang.
Looking na.
Yeah. I know. Lungin sila.
Southwest.
Lungin. Yeah. Lungin inside. Yep. Yo, ready for him. Yo, click in. Yo, come in. Walk in. Look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Mergat assemble engage.
Yeah, come back. Nice bomb, Jel. Nice bomb.
May shaper sila, may 7-3 shaper sila. 8-3. Papasa ka saan, Castle? Pamark ko.
Speed for us.
Sige lang. Ano gamit mo?
DPS CD, tell me if ready, okay? Looking. Left. Walk in. Yo, ready deep. East deep on the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good shit. Go back. Run. Go back. Yo, finish up the kills.
Nakatch kami.
Nice. Nakatch kayo? Patay kayo?
Patay.
Okay. We don't have bomb squad, okay?
CCD mo yung gatang.
Copy. Meerkat can hit soon, okay? Just be careful, guys.
Get away from walls.
Yo, they engage. Yeah.
Mergat coming southwest.
DPS CD. Okay. Wait.
Ayan,
Yo, ready shallow on the gate. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Go back. Yeah, it's fine. Too deep yung pool. My bad. CD gate, yung
over the wall. Nakakompat setting ako. Pahila ko over the wall.
DPS, I need you to tell me your cooldown, okay?
10 seconds.
Copy.
Mergat is looking
at 5. Look isa. Asan yung Meerkat? I need someone to Sige.
Southwest Meerkat.
Yo, looking. Yo, come. Walk in. Yo, def, walk in, def. Fake now, fake with me, fake.
Okay na. Nag-defensive na sila.
Yo, is on the stairs, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys got stop. Come back. It's fine. Tell me gate. 14. Yo, ready guys. Yo, come southwest. Yo, hold them, tanks. Hold them. Nice. They miss. Walk in. Yo, look, east deep, guys. East deep. Yo, def. East deep. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill them, everyone. Come back. Build dial. Go back, guys. Go back. CC them. Yeah, we need to stabilize here. CC. Yo, shaper. Nice.
Heals over the wall, please.
DPSD.
They're looking.
Yo, def. Yo. Southeast over the wall, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, get stopped.
Come back.
Yo, guys, come. Guys, come south.
Kaya mag-lord room, huy.
Come south. Don't go lord room. If masira yung gate, we kite here, okay? We kite here. We kite on the west gate. Yo, ready, wait.
Gonna look at me. I need heals. Gonna look at me.
Looking at the gate.
Looking. Ready to def. Yo, shallow on the gate. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Come back. Yeah, Mirkat's coming. Yo, def. Yo, ready to kite. Yo, kill this guy. Nice kill.
You're good.
Yeah. I know. Spread. DPSD.
5 seconds.
Okay. Yo, look, southeast deep. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is everyone. Come back. Then go back. Yo, kite. Ready, def. Nice.
Both engage. Wala sila engage pareho.
Copy. Walk in, guys. Walk in. I need one guy looking at Mirkat. Nice. Yo, come southeast, guys. Yo, guys, come southeast. Shaper looking. Yo, ready south. Yo, click in, guys. Click in. Look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wipe everyone here. Nice. Kill everyone. Ready to fight. Kite.
No, we're good. They miss.
Yeah. Okay, walk in. QW. Brawl.
They're moving north.
Yo, ready, def inside. Def. Nice, walk in. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Inside. Ready. Inside. Hold. Yo, inside. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, kill them all. Good shit. Spread.
They have engage now.
Spread, guys. Spread. Fucking spread, man. Spread.
Kiting north.
CC them.
May engage, baka mag-fight.
Yo, care. Yo, ready gig. Yo, walk in deep. Yo, walk in deep. Ready gig. Yo, southeast. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Yo, care over the wall. Yo, ready, def. Looking sila. Yo, ready, def. Nice. Hold lang. Ilan pa DPS ka sa party to? Yo, come back. Naka-hodge. Hold.
10 seconds.
Wait. Looking sila. Yo, come back a bit.
They're ready, miss.
Next-engage sila, keep.
Nagko-cool down.
Okay. Nagkikidnap sila. Yo, KW inside. Try nyo mga. Yeah, they miss. Mirkat miss.
Wala yung main caller, pre.
Okay. Yo. Walk in a bit. Walk in a bit. Yo, on the tank. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tank. Nice kill. Come back a bit.
No. They're not trying to hit, bro. They're not trying to engage. They're trying to
They're just gonna wait for big gears.
Yeah, I know.
Callers here. They're callers here.
Okay, second for this. Yo, kita nyo yung hodge. Nakatingin. Come back a bit, guys. Come back.
One map away, Rigger.
Hindi ko na si ano.
Okay. Come back a bit. Yo, come back. Stay away from southeast wall. Yo, hold. Let's wait for them to walk in.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Nice stop, tanks. Yo, sino Uzbek? Yo, inside, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kill it, heal.
Come back, finish up the kills, kill him. Go back.
Pick up is engaging niya over the wall, careful.
Yo, over the wall, carry. Nice. Patay sa ibet.
Okay lang.
Next engage is Marlica.
Sana yung mga riggers ko? Nice. Sige.
Nasa pink.
Ready.
Nice.
Engage shallow again.
Yo, kita nyo itong J na to sa is natin. Yo, ready on this. Fake lang. Yo, walk in deep.
I hold them at the jump.
Yo, walk in deep. Yo, inside, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, you guys get stop. Come back. Regroup first. Regroup. Wait natin yung mga regroup. Madami namatay na tanks.
Away from the choke.
Yeah. Hold lang.
Longing sila deep.
Yeah, longing sila deep. Yo, ready def. Spread. Fake yan. Yo, heal kills. Nice. Ready def. Yo, Giga walk in. On top of us. Ready, south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then click in. Hold lang. Nabuksan yung chest?
Shaper.
Nabuksan yung chest? O wala nagbukas ang chest?
Nabuksan.
Yo, ready def. Fake yan. They will walk in. Yo, ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Kill them. Spread lang. QW inside. Yo, come southwest. Yo, click southwest. Wala yan. It's nothing. Yo, looking. Def. Nice. Yo, walk in.
70 PS.
Click in. Southeast deep, ready. Hold. Southeast deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Click out. Hold here. Pag lumabas sila, we'll go in, okay? Yo, def that. Nice. Halte pa tayo. Yo, hold.
We're just waiting for Jen.
May apat kami dito. Yung apat
Sa
ko.
Nasa kanya lahat ng bomb squad na loot ko eh.
Halos lahat ng Zerg nandyan sa pocket na yan.
Yo, come. Nice stop.
Apat yung tao dito sa
Yo, ready def. Hold. Yo, come guys. Yo, look northeast over the wall. Ready. Northeast over the wall, ready. Yo guys, northeast over the wall. Hindi nyo need pumasok. Yo, inside. Wait. Looking sila. Yo, ready def. Walk in. Pahila ko. Heal me. Guys, why did you guys go in? Yo, inside. After the GA. Ready, south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Not enough damage. Yo, come back.
Malapit na kami.
Okay, come